The reverse yarn over. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the reverse yarn over, sometimes also called backward yarn over. This is a very simple right leaning knitting increase you will typically find as a part of other knitting techniques such as Jeny's surprisingly stretchy bind off, but you can use it on its own as well. Here's how to knit it. For a standard yarn over, you wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise before you knit the next stitch. For a reverse yarn over, you wrap the working yarn around the needle clockwise. See, clockwise before you knit the next stitch. This stitch is not part of the reverse yarn over. Let's do it one more time. See, I more or less push the needle against the working yarn, then I secure the reverse yarn over with my index finger and knit the next stitch. One more time, push and knit. It's that simple. If you are an English knitter and you hold the working yarn in your right hand, it's the exact same thing. You wrap the yarn around the needle clockwise before you knit the next stitch. Unlike the regular yarn over, the reverse yarn over does not create an eyelet, and that's because as you come across the reverse yarn over in the return row, you will notice that it's mounted on the needle twisted, meaning it starts here in the front and ends here in the back. So when you purl that the regular way, meaning you insert your right needle from right to left, you are essentially purling it twisted, and this will close the eyelet. As a result, a backward yarn over is basically nothing else but a make one right deconstructed. It will have the exact same result, maybe a tiny bit looser, because when you lift this strand between two stitches to knit a make one right, and then you would knit it. We're not going to do this now. Instead, we will be placing a backward yarn over right next to it. See, you will create the exact same loop here. You only do it one row later, but the twisted strand that will be the result is the exact same. So instead of knitting a make one right, you can also knit a backward yarn over and knit across it or purl across it in the next row. And if you take a look at this swatch here where I increased with the reverse yarn over on both sides, you can clearly see how it's leaning towards the right and looks much neater here on the left side, just like the make one right. Anyway, that's how to knit the reverse yarn over. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and of course, don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.